Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the low buy. It is the finale. I have the total numbers and I'm a bit ashamed to even call it a low buy. So maybe let's just title it how much money did I spend on makeup in 2024, because I spend a lot. I think the goal for next year, it will be, of course, to not purchase in some categories where I really don't need to, but as well, I want to spend less than this year. And of course, prices will go up because of inflation and everything, but still, I don't care about that. I want to spend less than this year, so that is the goal. But let me tell you what I bought in Q4. Just a quick mention, this was the most expensive quarter, and as well it was the longest period because I was very excited to film the updates, and I mostly filmed them 1 month in advance. So right now we have at least 1 month just added to this. So we have September, October, November and December, which should be 3 months, not 4. First of all, for my birthday, I think I had like a 1 month break or even more than that. In August I didn't purchase anything, which was great, but then for my birthday I purchased these two that were pretty expensive. They were $76 approximate. This is the YSL quad, is in the color, doesn't have the name in here. Okay, it is something Babylone Rose or something. It's the number 400. I'm gonna put it down below anyway. And then I purchased the Makeup Forever lip pencil. Actually, this is not the lip pencil, it is the Color Artist whatever pencil. So it is in Anywhere Caffeine. This is not the most long-lasting pencil, but I like it. It is great and nice. And this eyeshadow quad is not the best formula out there, but again, I do like it. So I'm not mad at this purchase. Then I bought a mascara. So actually I did repurchase my Essence Lash Princess, which of course it is great because I want to have only 2 mascaras in my collection. Mascara, it is a category where I need to be better and not test any mascaras because it will be very disappointing. Then I purchased for $22, so it was pretty affordable, or at least it was like a... Oh, I know. I think I did use my... I have a coupon or something for my birthday on Sephora, so I used it for this and best $22 spent. This is the Easy Blur. It is my favorite foundation right now, so great purchase there. Then I purchased something from the drugstore and as well Smashbox. I bought some primers that are not great. This is the primerizer. It's okay, but it's just the most basic cream ever. And then this one that looks very strange. It is like holographic in a way. It is the BB Boomer from Missha. Meh, both of them, but I will use them up because primer, it is a category that it's very easy to use up. I purchased in the same order the Essence Extreme Shine and the other mascara that is my favorite, the Lash Without Limits from Essence. And this order was $27. I'm not gonna tell you the prices for all, but just for some. Then I purchased the Benefit Primer in the mini, and this one with the Easy Blur. Great combo. This one is a primer that I'm very happy that I purchased. Then I purchased my favorite brow gel, the Too Faced Fluff and Hold. It is just a repurchase like usual. And then I purchased this one. It was a very random purchase on 3rd of October. I forgot to mention the dates, but anyway, the rest of them were in September. This one is in October. I bought the ABH Spice and this, my favorite palette from this year. I didn't purchase a lot of palettes this year, but this is the best one. I really like it. And then I think I placed another order from Notino, and it was on the 15th of October, and I purchased the Maybelline Lifter Liner. And then I repurchased my bronzer. This is my favorite one from the drugstore. I really missed it. It is the best one, at least the best powder, because the Revolution one that is a cream, both of those are just perfection from the drugstore. And then I purchased the Essential Good Stuff, my other favorite primer. This is a glowy one, and I bought a backup because why not? And lastly, I bought from Essence as well this one. It is the Soft Touch Duo eyeshadow, and I'm okay with this one. It's cute and it is great for traveling. I could create a look with only these, and it's so fast and easy. So overall, I'm happy that I bought this one just to travel with it. Then on 17th of October, I went to NYX, and unfortunately I bought the dark plump in a color. I'm annoyed. I should have purchased the clear one, that is the best one. This one is just decent. This gloss is good for prepping the lips. For just normal wear is too pigmented in my opinion. I will use it, it will not go to waste, but I have way too many pigmented glosses. I don't know what's happening with me. I always purchase clear glosses, but right now I'm purchasing colors, and it is a mistake from my side. And as well, in the same day, in the same purchase, I purchased the NYX bronzer. I don't have it, I decluttered it. I bought the lightest shade, which is still too pigmented. I don't like it, it is what it is, so that's gone from my collection already. Then on 22nd of October, I bought some great products. First of all, the Makeup Forever Pore Minimizer, the primer. This is nice. I prefer the Porefessional from Benefit, but this one is okay as well. So again, I will use it at least. And I bought my favorite concealer, which is the Natasha Denona Hy-glam. This is a big purchase because this is very, very expensive. But I'm so happy to own it. This one I can't. I cannot live without this one and another concealer that I'm gonna mention in a bit. Those two are just my favorite concealers. Then we are going into Black Friday and deals and stuff like that. And usually at the end of the year I'm purchasing a bit more because of the sales. Because right now it is the time just to buy a bit more, because I want to stock up on some products. For example, I bought 12, not 6, not 8, 12 makeup sponges that are my absolute favorite one. So like $50+ went into that. And then on 8th of November, I bought 2 products from MAC because they were having a deal. I bought the lip pencil and where is it? These ones. Are they great products? No, they are decent. The lip pencil is way too dry. I don't remember this one being this dry because I finished up, I'm pretty sure, one of these like 3 years ago or something. It's decent, but I much prefer the Makeup Forever pencil. I think this is a bit more long-lasting though. And then I purchased this one, the Plumping Gloss Stick in the brown. This is stunning, but do I like a clicky product like this? No. So yeah, this was a bit of a mistake, but yeah, anyway, I wanted something from MAC. It's fine overall. Then I purchased something again from the drugstore. I purchased the Revolution gloss, at least this one I purchased in the lightest or clear color. This is staying on my desk right now. It's okay. Nothing spectacular about it. It is a decent squeeze tube. I don't even like squeeze tubes that much. It's not better than the I forgot the name, you know what, that one that is very popular. It's not better than that one. And then I bought some bronzer brushes because my favorite Refer bronzer brush was shading like crazy, so I just purchased some bronzer brushes to replace that one. And as well, another decently expensive order that was just to stock up some stuff was the lashes. I bought 3 pairs of lashes that will probably get used for the whole 2025. So again, I'm just using the moment where they are a bit less expensive. I bought as well a mini of the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I'm in love with this one. It is so nice. And now I bought some items that I actually did a full face today. So I bought the RMS Beauty blush. So this is the first impression. It looks nice so far. I bought the House Lab concealer as well. What else? I bought the brow gel from Rare Beauty that I'm wearing as well. And then I bought the NYX concealer and the NYX primer. And this is the concealer that I was mentioning earlier. This time I bought it in medium vanilla. I bought a darker shade. My favorite, one of my favorites from the drugstore. And I bought the glue as well, the primer. This is nice. I have way too many primers right now, I'm realizing, but at least I could use them up, and they are pretty decent overall. What else did I purchase? I purchased the pink powder from Huda, the mini one. And then lastly, I purchased the Bioma lip oil. So this is everything. That was on 17th of December. And that is everything. So the total for quarter 4, it's a bit much. But like I said, some of this is just brushes, sponges, some stuff that I will use throughout 2025, so that's okay. Some are my favorites that I just repurchased, which is also great. So only 2 products I did declutter already, which is a bit horrible, but it is what it is. So for quarter 4, we have a total of $668. Like I said, that's a bit much, but it is 4 months, so well, I'm not proud, but it is what it is. And the total for 2024, like I said, next year I just want to spend less than this. If it is less than this with $50, I'm happy. The total for 2024 is $1,490, which is almost $1,500, which is a bit much, but I love makeup. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.